Now see here. This question we have seen 48, 60, 48, 60 and 80. 48, 60 and 80. First thing, answer should be greater than or equivalent to 80. Answer should be greater than or equivalent to 80. This is out. 48 it cannot be. 60 it is 3 into 20. Answer should be divisible by 3. Answer should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 80 it is 8 plus 0, 8, not divisible by 3. We are stuck between 960 and 240. Definition of LCM is least common multiple. Least is smallest. Definition of LCM is least common multiple. Least is smallest. Take the smallest among the two numbers. 240. Is 240 divisible by 48? Yes, 5 48s are. Is 240 divisible by 60? Yes, 4 into 60. Is 240 divisible by 80? Yes, so answer is 240. I do not need to know the mathematical definition of an LCM. All I need to know is the concept and the foundation. The more you solve XYZ approaches, the more your brain, it is not at all working. You are just seeing a teacher and making a note of it. Your conscious is not telling to you, oh, this is the logic, this is the logic, this is the beauty. Your conscious should give on keeping you triggers. 48, 60 and 80. Again I am repeating. What are all the concepts which I discussed? 80. Answer should be greater than or equivalent to 80. 48 is out. 60. It is divisible by 3. 80. Sum of the digits is not divisible. Definition of LCM is least common multiple. Take the smallest number. Smallest it is 240. Smallest it is 240. Kindly reply in case if it is clear to you. I only want a reply in two ways. Yes, if it is clear, or doubt, mention the doubt. Doubt, mention the doubt. I am very, very particular with respect to the audience who are listening to me. In any of my classes, there will be no bakwas. I will not allow bakwas, and I will not do something which will waste your time and my time. Everybody say yes if it is clear to you. If it is not clear to you, mention the doubt.